Hello, zamni sajo khansa shuwe chuka sumgi Philippines yongla chamdi tashi dile shuwe yi nyingi yendo sinsin nange changma kusu dewa yingire.
Mountain Souls, Tenzing, refers to Tenzing Donio, a singer from Sikkim known for his band, the Mountain Souls, later Sound of Souls, who gained fame on Indian reality shows like Dil Hai Hindustani and India's Got Talent, bringing Himalayan folk music to a national audience, often featuring members from the region. The name also evokes the legacy of a legendary mountaineer, Tenzing Norgay, who famously reached Everest summit. And Donio's music reflects the soul and spirit of the mountains. Tenzing Donio and the Mountain Souls. Musical style: fusion of Tibetan folk music with contemporary sounds, showcasing the cultural richness of the Himalayas. Rise to fame: achieved national recognition on Sony TV's India's Got Talent and Star Plus's Dil Hai Hindustani, representing Sikkim and the mountain region. Band evolution: started as the Mountain Souls Foot, Garungsh, and later became Sound of Souls, featuring talented artists like beatboxer Himanshu Pradhan. Connection to Tenzing Norgay: while not directly related to the famous mountaineer, Donio's music embodies the soul of the mountains that Tenzing Norgay conquered, drawing on shared cultural roots and a deep connection to the Himalayan landscape. The name itself, Tenzing, means wealthy or auspicious in Tibetan, linking the artist to traditional Himalayan values. In essence, Mountain Souls, Tenzing, represents a modern musical expression of the Himalayan spirit, inspired by the iconic figure of Tenzing Norgay and bringing the soul of the mountains to the mainstream.
स्वर्ग पाया है जब से मैंने तेरे चरणों में सर झुकाया है तुझ में मैंने स्वर्ग पाया जब से मैंने तेरे चरणों में सर झुका